Okay, so if you're struggling to make your own textures and you're a little bit confused on how to make your own graffiti and apply it properly, obviously the previous tutorial does explain it, but this is more in depth about the graffiti side. So when you extract a texture through TXT Workshop, you'll only get a singular texture like so. Now obviously if you look in the map editor, it's duplicated 4 times. So what you want to do is you want to make a new layer and make sure you've got a invisible background like so. Go to image, go to canvas size, tap this arrow here and then change this to percent and then 400 because it's been duplicated 4 times, sorry. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you do that, you just go ahead and duplicate the original texture that you've opened. So as you can see, all my textures have been duplicated properly and aligned correctly. And then you go ahead and create a new layer. Now, I'm just going to do something simple just for the tutorial's sake. It doesn't really matter what I do. I don't know, just do an 8. It's a terrible 8, I won't lie, but just for illustration purposes, that's all we need. Now, obviously, you can see that it does look a bit painted on. It looks like, it doesn't look like a proper texture. So you go ahead and put it on overlay. And then you're going to want to drop the opacity down. Anywhere between 40% and 80% really works for me. I usually stick around the 60, 70 mark. And you can have it like that. So once you've done all your drawing, you just go to File, Save As. Go to the BMP extension and save it as a different texture. Make sure you rename the texture because otherwise every other building will have the same texture. It will bug out. So you want to go ahead and just change it to, I'll call my red wall graffiti 2 because obviously we used graffiti 1 in the original tutorial, and just click save. You save it as 32-bit, 24, it doesn't matter. Click OK. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and start applying it following the tutorial previously.